There is one batch says the world never exists. Always the confusion between these two guys. All the problems which happened in Hinduism is the problem between these two guys, the Dvaitis and Advaitis. Dvaitis, they say there is two entity, you have to go to the one entity, you have to become one. Advaitis, they say no, it's only one. The problem is this only. Understand, with this background, you will completely catch the truth. You will exactly catch it. See, when you are having first experience, you will know the Advaita is the truth, the Advaita is the truth. But there was a period when I did not have that experience. After some time, when that experience is ripe completely inside you, suddenly you know there was never period that Advaita was not there in your life, or the fulfillment or the ultimate experience, enlightenment was not there in your life. That's what I call matured or stable in enlightenment. So if you understand with this example, I think many of you will be able to relate with this example which I am saying, that if you are living around me for 2-3 years, or connected, feeling connected 2-3 years, even less than 2-3 years intensely, suddenly you know that there was never a period. I don't remember there was a period in my life. I don't know Swamiji, I was not around him. Just that part will disappear. That part will not hold any more value on your system. It won't have any more influence, because you will not be remembering that part. See, any part, only when you remember that part again and again, holds influence over you directly or indirectly. When that is not remembered, suddenly it has no space in your place. How many of you are really able to feel that I don't remember there was a period I was not with Swamiji. But all you guys were around me just for few years, last few years. Raise the hand, let us see. One by one I will see. Anyhow, so if you can understand, connect with this idea, then you can understand the problem of Dvaita Advaita. Now you can very clearly understand Dvaita Advaita problem. Anyhow, I took time to clear this. Actually, after some time you will understand this one of the important problem any seeker will face in his journey. Any seeker will face in his journey. Constantly I am telling nothing is here, but you are seeing everything is here. What to do? There is a big gap between you and me. Constantly I am saying there is nothing inside, in front of me. What you call as Ananda Sabha is not there. What you experience as me is not there. What you experience as this throne is not here. What to do? So that is what I mean. See, you yourself say, you are around me, you know me for 4 years, but relationship is 2 years old only. But it is so strong, it has filled you so strongly, the old person has to get out of the system, you see. Just the person has to leave. So the memories, the old memory waves, the number of time it overwhelms you is drastically reduced. And even if it overwhelms you, the way in which it overwhelms you is drastically reduced. So naturally what happens? That zone is never remembered. That part is never remembered. And just, you can't imagine, there was a period, there was a time, you don't know me, or you are not around me, or the life was without me. So if you can understand this one, if it clicks with you, then you know how the Advaita and Dvaita problem starts. So Dvaitis, they are talking about Dvaita after having first experience, after having first glimpse. They catch one glimpse. They know Advaita is the truth, but they are not settled in that. They are not settled in that. So that's why they say Advaita is the ultimate truth, but through this only you have to go. This is also true. That is that slumdog millionaire zone. So now only you are having the first experience, ma. So the slumdog millionaire zone. I was slumdog, now I am millionaire. Suddenly you will say, hey, I was millionaire always. I was never a slumdog. That's Advaita. That's like that. That is what I am saying. There is no Anand Sabha, there is no throne, there is no me. But you go on saying, no. There is Anand Sabha, there is throne, there is you. The difference, the space from which we are relating, we are playing the game. It's a very important clarity. Yes. The number of, you see, the waves happening is still, that's what I'm, still you are not settled into the first. That's the problem. Still not settled. That is why still you are feeling you are a slumdog millionaire. If you are feeling you are a slumdog millionaire, still you are not settled with that first experience. It has not become samadhi. It's only satori. If it becomes samadhi, suddenly you know. If you are living in Savikalpa samadhi, say, these guys who raise the hand, whatever they are doing, I am the undercurrent. Just that sweet taste in the throat, that I am the undercurrent. That is why that old waves, any wave comes, it's not able to fill you guys. It's not. It's like there is a pot, but kept topsy-turvy. If a wave happens on that pot, what will happen? Water will never be filled inside the water, inside the pot. But if the pot is this way, the wave can get, the water can get, the pot can get filled. It's one of the, I can say, important understanding you need to have, especially if you are a seeker. Because the constant dilemma, whether it is there or not, that will be there in the seeker's mind. See, now you understand why I am saying this is not there. Because the zone, when I saw this was there, has become too much away from me, and it does not play any more role over me. Constantly I am feeling it is not there. That zone and me, the distance has become too much. Like you are the before Nityananda, after Nityananda. That person's, the distance has become too much, you see. That is why you don't even remember there was a period before Nityananda, BN. I just wanted to make you guys understand how the Advaita Acharyas are strong with Advaita and Dvaita Acharyas are strong with Dvaita. See, Ramanuja is very clear about Dvaita. Madhva is very clear about Dvaita. Shankara is very clear. Both are not liars. We think somebody is a liar. Both are not liars. Both are talking from different zones.